Hello YouTube viewers, this is Anupam Vipul. Today I am going to show you how to change green status progress bar into cool blue one. Many of you are having doubts what that's supposed to mean, so let me show you. Let's just type something and this see more results. If you type something in here and if you hit enter and select the computer, simply means if you see a progress bar that are correct, see green, it is very ugly color for Windows 7 currently. See the green bar, that is very ugly for Windows 7, kind of, you know, blue cool. It does not give a cool effect, it's like hell. So I would try to give it a blue look. First you need to download a file called as blue progress bar. Be aware there are two kinds of progress bar. One just containing the arrow file and arrow theme, and another is with everything. You're supposed to download file with everything. That would be sized around 5 to 6 MB. If it's under 1 or 2 megabyte, try ducking it. You won't get anything out of it. So if you open that, you will get something like this, folders with few items: blue resources, readme text, take ownership. That's the main script that you need. Take ownership, theme install.exe and blah blah blah. So we'll try to see, and don't ask why I'm not using Cam Studio, because Cam Studio won't work if my system shut down and log off, you know, kind of stuff. So that is why I'm using Cam. It's supposed to be a very good camera. It's 1080p, but I don't know why it's not delivering up to its expectations. Yeah, I suppose that should do something better. Okay, so we'll read the files. Don't worry, you will listen everything nice and quiet.
This is a slightly modified Windows Green for Windows 7 Hard AM. It replaces the default green progress bars with cool blue progress bars, complete with animation like the original ones. Changes both normal progress bars and taskbar progress bars. Does not change third-party browser progress bars unless those browsers use Windows progress bars.
x86 means 32-bit, 64 means 64-bit. I don't know why it is that, but it is that.
It should work both with x86 and x64. Install it by following these steps. Asterisk, disable heroin control panel personalization, switch to classic or basic theme. Asterisk, install the correct up style for your system x86 or x64.
Okay, install. So let's install. See, there are two, and my system is 32-bit. So x86, go. Okay, I promise to install status. Okay, we will wait and see how does it turns out. Currently it's not going super fast. I don't know why, but it's not going super fast. Come on man, I have 4 GB of RAM. Come on. Yeah, see the green one, it will also change to blue. So blah 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 blah. Come on man, come on. Complete your code, beta setup, blah blah blah, finish. Okay, installed. I had installed the install the take ownership.registry. Okay, so this is the take ownership. I will try to use this, and how should I supposed to do that? Install the just like that. Okay, so press enter. Adding information can be unintentional change the delivery. Okay, I want to continue. The key and value contained in C blah 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 take ownership was successfully added to registry, so that means it should work now. So see this one, I don't know how well you can see that, but it's open take ownership. So that's happened due to that registry. Now I need to install the taker, done that, hack and take ownership of the original arrow. Okay, where it is? Okay, we'll go there.
C:// Windows / resources / themes / arrow.
See, I got there, and I have to take ownership of it. Take ownership, and I am the owner of it. Let me try to see. I don't know, but registry allowed me to do so, so I will try. Execute install file. Okay. So it's a self-destructing kind of blah blah blah. Could not I am not getting what you cannot create. Okay, some file could not be created. Please close all application, reboot Windows and restart this installation. Okay, cancel. I believe I got what the problem is. First thing I have to do is make sure that everything is, you know, classic kind of look. So I'll go there. How do I supposed to get there? I don't know where to go. Display, no. Come on, man, come on. Where should I go? Screens or not? Okay, classic. Now it's in classic. Please wait. Yeah, everything to ugly back, you know, kind of 98 or 2000 kind of stuff. So my arrow is currently not in use, this arrow.ms style kind of stuff. So I had taken ownership of it, so it should work. Let me try this again. Come on, man. Come on. Please, come on, 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 come on. Come on, man. I believe I have pressed enter, and so why nothing is happening. There's nothing going on, and that's not a very good idea. It's a self-extracting SFX archive, or open the in WinRAR, extract the file manually to directory. I think it's done. Okay, re-enable an arrow. Where's the arrow? This is the arrow. It's 1.6. Let me open it. Open archive, and it's supposed to be, let me drag it out so I can, properties 1.33 and it's 1.6. so I don't know. I will just change back to, you know, personalize. Please happen, please happen, please happen, please happen, please happen. Okay, something ugly come up, but I'll try to figure it out. Trust me, it is worth all this trouble. Come on. Yeah, see? Blue progress bar. Hell yeah! I did this in just one try. And trust me, it will look good. First I have to tweak some settings and come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah. Now it's looking much like it as I wanted. And restart your system. Let me see if it is necessary or not. Yeah. Search, my friend, search. Yeah, it's completely changed to blue. And what will happen if I minimize it? Oh, in searching it won't do, but if you are copying paste something, then it will do. It will also do it in this location. So that's how you do it. It's nothing very hard as I thought. I had done this previously and it did not gone as planned. I had to do this 2 to 3 times to get it done, but this time I guess I was in luck and done it properly. Yep. Okay, so thank you, subscribe, and comments are welcomed. And don't write bad comment about the bad audio quality, or that I suppose I did not need to restart it. Okay, thank you, and please feel free to comment.